Om Shanti. Let's do meditation together today. Sit comfortable and relax your body and let go of any thoughts of the drama or the body right now. Shift the focus inwards. The default mode of the mind's focus is wandering about outside in the thoughts of the drama, the thoughts about the body, why, how, when something happened. And all of these could be waste thoughts. And the soul's energy just keeps dripping away and sort of leaking with all these thoughts. And just by being aware and turning the focus inwards, we stop the leakage of this so useful, so important energy within. And when there is no leakage of energy in waste thoughts, this energy of the soul can be utilized to create beautiful world. So that's why the emphasis on the very first step. Just be aware and in a second shift the focus from out to in, away from the drama and away from any thoughts of the body. There is pain in the body somewhere. There are sensations in the body anywhere. All these thoughts of the body we have to move our mind away from as well and focus on the true self, which is not the body but the soul, the Atma, the energy that runs the body and which has immense powers and immense capacity to heal the body and to solve the challenges of the drama. Once we become friends with our true self, the energy within, we become master creators, master healers, master problem solvers, and we can create magic. So, the first step is to shift the focus inwards. Sometimes we want to do it, but we find it difficult to do it. When we sit in the meditation and try to focus inwards, we still have the thoughts of drama coming into the mind. At that time, what helps is another thing, which is focus on the breathing. If for 5 or 10 thoughts, or maybe even more number of thoughts, depending upon how entangled we were in the drama situation before sitting in meditation, it would take slightly longer time to calm the mind and stabilize the mind. And what could help is the focus on breathing. So just sit and relax the body and focus on the breathing. In, out. In, We can also chant Om if we want. So we take a deep breath in and then we chant Om as we are breathing out. And now, once the focus is inwards, we start creating magic. We connect to the immense powers which are potential energy locked inside us. We start emerging all the divine virtues which are within us, as automatically when we focus inwards on the true light energy within, we get connected to the supreme light energy above, the Father, the Creator. And the light within starts getting brighter as it starts absorbing more energy from the powerhouse, the supreme energy, and all this unconditional love and power starts flowing within and starts making the self, the light, brighter, even more powerful. Just enjoy this stage for us as long as we can. This beautiful light energy stage, the true self connected to the supreme energy, the blissful stage, the peaceful stage, the ever so wise, full of knowledge, the stage, the wisdom coming from within. And here in this stage, we create magic by using the power of thought. In this stage, we start seeing with the mind's eye whatever we want to create, whatever the energy, the true self wants to create. I start visualizing and seeing all that with details beautifully in front of my mind's eye, as if it has already happened or as if it's happening right in front of me. For example, if there's something I find challenging, I start seeing myself got over that challenge already. If there's any problem I'm trying to solve, I visualize the solution in front of my mind's eye already happening. If there's an exam that I'm going to do, I see clearly in front of my eyes that I've already cleared the exam with flying colors. I've got the trophy and I'm ever so blissful so happy. If I want to make some changes in my routine, which I find difficult, I just see them happening in front of my mind's eye right now. Just spend 5 minutes or something seeing in your mind's eye. I don't know what your challenges are, but whatever the challenge, just bring it in front of your mind's eye right now and see yourself getting over that challenge, winning over the problem, emerging out as a winner over the situation, creating beautiful relationships with all the other souls of the world. Just see it clearly as if it's happening in front of the mind's eye right now. And then feel the satisfaction, the bliss, the happiness once you have got over the situation. Stay in that happy moment a bit longer. Enjoy the success. Enjoy all the applause coming for yourself from within. Enjoy standing in front of the mirror and feeling proud of yourself for having done what you always wanted to do. And this is the magic that we can create with meditation, with the power of thought. So, the more and more we visualize what we want to achieve instead of what the situation is right now, slowly we start attracting what we want and what we visualize in the mind's eye. And we start winning over the challenges easily. But this will require patience and, of course, hard work at keeping the focus on what we want. Keeping the focus on the visual image that we created in the mind just now. No doubt, no fear, no negative. Everything positive. And even if I myself was not able to achieve, but with this connection with the Supreme Energy, with all this love flowing towards me, and with the Supreme God's hand on top of my head, I'm able to do anything. Everything becomes easy. Thank you, God Almighty, for all this knowledge and the beautiful experience. Om Shanti.